Hello YouTube. It is Burbizooka. A hormone that preserves youth, a natural pill from old age. Save youth and beauty, prevent aging of the skin and the body as a whole. Is not it the dream of any woman? Unfortunately, time does not stop. We are not able to prevent the unwanted aging process, but we can at least slow it down a little. The secret of the source of youth lies in the hormone melatonin, which is present in each of us. Over the years, due to bad habits and destructive effects on your body, its quantity decreases, which leads to aging. Scientists say that it is melatonin that can give mankind life extension for 10-15 years. Melatonin is a regulator of the human circadian rhythms, the main hormone of the epiphysis. In all people, melatonin is actively recovered during night sleep at the same time, from 23 to 3 a.m. The aging process begins after 25 years, accompanied by the appearance of many diseases. This is due to the lack of melatonin, which begins to arise from this age. That is why the elderly people's sleep becomes superficial, and falling asleep is always difficult. Nevertheless, the production of this hormone can be regulated. How to improve the production of melatonin? Beautiful actress and unsurpassed beauty Sophia Loren never tires of repeating that the main secret of beauty lies in a healthy dream. She sleeps not later than 9 p.m. and wakes up at 6 a.m. Her advice has a scientific basis. The level of melatonin begins to rise from 2100 hours, reaching its peak by 2 a.m., and falls to 9 a.m. Simply put, the sooner you go to bed, the more you become more beautiful and younger, because in the deep sleep phase due to melatonin, all the resources of the organism are renewed at the cellular level. Eat foods with a high content of melatonin. Such products include milk, seafood, chicken meat, fish, liver, eggs, cottage cheese, oatmeal, baked potatoes, vegetables, peanuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds, dates and bananas. In the evening try to avoid finding out their relationship. The nervous system should be in a calm state. Remember that any stresses inhibit the production of this hormone. Do not drink strong black tea or coffee before going to bed. They interfere with the body to produce melatonin. The same effect has some medicines. Therefore, carefully read the instructions for medications, especially if you suffer from insomnia. The best options for drinks will be a glass of milk with honey, some sour milk product or a soothing herbal tea. Do not forget about the hygiene of sleep. Ventilate the room well. And also quit the stupid habit of browsing social networking news before going to bed. Screen light blocks the production of the sleep hormone in long life. Melatonin can be used as a medicine. It is produced synthetically in the form of tablets and capsules. However, no self-treatment. The choice of the necessary dosage can be made only by your doctor. The production of melatonin increases several times after 1 hour of sports. Regular and moderate exercise, that's what you need. Try to avoid alcohol, fatty foods and quit smoking. The presence of this hormone in the body in the right amount contributes to slowing down the aging process, strengthening the immune system, regulating blood pressure. It allows you to mobilize the body's protective resources and prevent the development of chronic diseases, including cancer. As you can see, melatonin is a real elixir of health and youth, and natural. To produce melatonin, you should not swallow multicolored pills at all. It is enough to adhere to simple rules that help the body receive this hormone, and a person, to feel better. Share this important information with your friends. Perhaps you will inspire them to change the regime of the day and diet. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.